To create a YouTube channel, follow these steps: sign into YouTube, sign into your Google account, then visit the YouTube homepage, youtube.com. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, and select Create a Channel. Choose the type of channel. You'll be asked to choose between creating a personal channel or a channel for a business or brand. Select the option that best suits your needs. Name your channel. Give your channel a name that is memorable, descriptive, and easy to remember. This will be the first thing people see when they visit your channel, so make it count. Customize your channel. Add a profile picture and a banner image that represents your channel. You can also add a description of your channel and links to your website and social media accounts. Start creating content. Once your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. You can record videos with your smartphone or camera, or use editing software to create more complex videos. Upload your videos to your channel and add titles, descriptions, and tags to make them easy to find. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience to promote your channel and grow your subscriber base. That's it. With these steps, you'll have your own YouTube channel up and running in no time.